How to disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. In this quick tutorial, I will show you a step-by-step process how you can do it. First, open the Google Chrome browser. Then at the right top corner, you will see the three-dot menu option. Just click on it. And here you will find the settings option. Just click on settings. Then search here JavaScript. Then you will see the site setting option at the bottom. Just click on it. If you scroll down, you will find the JavaScript option under content section. Just click on JavaScript. Here you will see the default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. Just click Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. If you select Don't allow sites to use JavaScript, the JavaScript will be disabled automatically. But you can also customize for other sites. Here you seek the customized behavior option. You can select the website you want to use JavaScript or you want to disable JavaScript. Just you can add them. So that's how you can easily disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.